My view is that we need a reference architecture which is inspired by the industrial data space reference architecture, but which is implemented by open source tools, which are the FIWARE tools. This will allow us to cover different scenarios. We have identified three main scenarios. One is the smart factory scenario, that is to get data from the production plant through basically the Orion Contest Broker, which is the FIWARE main component, and then to analyze this data in order to perform advanced analytics and advanced elaboration of the data coming from the plant. The second scenario is the smart product, which is following the product life cycle. You can imagine a car, a truck, but also a piece of cloth, following the whole life cycle. And again, thanks to the Orion Contest Broker, we could get the data from the field, from the product, and make elaborations like predictive maintenance, or also envisage other elaboration like end of life. Circular economy support is something which is quite interesting, and it depends, of course, of the life cycle of the product. Which parts could be recycled, which parts could be put again in the manufacturing cycle. And this is again something which is covered by FIWARE components and tools. A new scenario is the smart supply chain, which is the collaboration among enterprises in a B2B way. In this way, this is the specialization of the industrial data space. So the industrial data space is promoting a reference architecture which will allow data exchange and data sharing under data sovereignty rules, which means that I have to control who has access to my data and for doing what. This smart supply chain scenario is something which is new for the FIWARE Foundation, and it is complementary to the FIWARE Foundation. And we are developing some use cases inside the MIDI projects in order to have a concrete implementation of this smart supply chain reference architecture.